Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2006 Honda Odyssey maintenance light reset. We're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. And we're also going to use this button right here and just that button. As you can see, oil life 15%. And when you turn on your car, you should see that indicator. If not, then you go ahead and press this button and go find that indicator. Just like that. Now when you get here, press and hold this button. Give it about 10 seconds. When it start blinking, you go ahead and let it go. Excuse me. Let me talk louder. And when you let go ahead and press and hold again when it's blinking. And there it is, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.